Okay, നമുക്കിന്ന് problems നോക്കാം. The radius of a thin wire is 0.24 millimeter. Find its area of cross section by taking significant figures into consideration. ഈ ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ നമുക്ക് റേഡിയസ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. R equal to 0.24 millimeter. And area of cross section A equal to നമുക്കറിയാം thin wire area of cross section A is equal to pi r square. So area A equal to 3.14 into 0.24 whole square, that is equal to 0.180864 millimeter square. ഓക്കെ, ഇവിടെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചാൽ മനസ്സിലാകും തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ രണ്ട് സിഗ്നിഫിക്കൻറ്റ് ഫിഗേഴ്സാണ് ഉള്ളത്, 2 and 4. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ ആൻസറും നമ്മൾ എഴുതുമ്പോൾ രണ്ട് സിഗ്നിഫിക്കൻറ്റ് ഫിഗേഴ്സിൽ മാത്രമേ എഴുതാൻ പാടുള്ളൂ. സോ we will get the answer 0.18 millimeter square. Since there are only two significant figures in the radius, so the area must be in the two significant figures, that is equal to 0.18 millimeter square. Okay, next we are going to discuss about absolute errors and relative errors. There are two methods expressing errors. One is absolute error and another is relative error. Relative error is also known as percentage error. Okay, and first of all we will discuss what is absolute error. It is defined as the magnitude of the difference between the value of the quantity and the individual measurement value. Suppose let A1, A2, A3, etc. up to AN be the individual measurements. A mean be the mean value. Delta A1, that is the absolute error. Absolute error is denoted by delta A. That is delta A, that is the absolute error, that is equal to true value minus measured value. So we can write delta A1 equal to A mean minus A1. Here A mean, that is the mean value, considered as the true value. If we have a number of measurements, we will consider the mean value as the true value. So delta A1 is equal to A mean minus A1. Delta A2 is equal to A mean minus A2. And delta A3 is equal to A mean minus A3, etc. up to delta AN equal to A mean minus AN. Now we can find out the arithmetic mean of these absolute errors. So delta A mean equal to delta A1 modulus of delta A1 plus modulus of delta A2 plus modulus of delta A3 plus up to modulus of delta AN divided by N. Okay, or we can use the summation delta A1 delta AI I equal to 1 to N. Thus the final results of the measuring the physical quantity A can be written as A equal to A mean plus or minus delta A mean. Okay, so the final value, that is equal to A mean plus or minus delta A mean. It may be plus delta A or minus delta A. So the actual value lies between A mean plus delta A mean, and here not less than or equal to, here also A mean minus delta A mean. Okay. And now what about the relative error and percentage error? Actually, this absolute error does not present a complete picture of the accuracy of the measurement. Hence, the accuracy of measuring physical quantities is written by comparing the absolute error with respect to the true value of the quantity. This is called actually the relative error and is denoted by delta A. It is denoted by the symbol small letter delta A. Thus, relative error is defined as the ratio of the mean absolute error to the mean value of the quantity being measured. So, the relative error, that is the mean absolute error with respect to the true value, that is delta A mean divided by A mean. And this relative error that can also be expressed in percentage, then we call it as percentage error. That is percentage error equal to delta A mean divided by A mean into 100. Here, not that, here the true value means the best value. Okay. Okay. Now, the length of the rod measured in an experiment is recorded as 2.51 meter, 2.56 meter, 2.49 meter, 2.58 meter, 2.48 meter, and 2.55 meter respectively. Find the mean length, absolute error, mean absolute error, and the percentage error. Okay. ഇവിടെ നമ്മളൊരു കാര്യം ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണം, തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാ ലെങ്ത്തും 3 സിഗ്നിഫിക്കൻറ്റ് ഫിഗേഴ്സ് ആണ്. സോ നമ്മുടെ ആൻസർ 3 സിഗ്നിഫിക്കൻറ്റ് ഫിഗേഴ്സിൽ എഴുതാൻ നമ്മൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, നമുക്കൊന്ന് ട്രൈ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാം. സോ ദ മീൻ വാല്യൂ ഓഫ് ദ ലെങ്ത്, mean value of length, that is equal to 2.51 plus 2.56 plus 2.49 plus 2.58 plus 2.48 plus 2.55 divided by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is equal to 15.17 divided by 6, that is equal to 2.5283. So we can write the mean value of the length, that is 2.53 meter. Since the length of the rods having only 3 significant figures, so our answer is also in 3 significant figures. Now what about the absolute errors? The next is absolute error and mean absolute error, then percentage error. This is finished, that is mean length. Now we have to find out the absolute error. So the absolute error, that is delta L1. Delta L1 is equal to L mean minus L1. Okay, this is the L mean, and delta L2 is equal to L mean minus L2. Delta L3 is equal to L mean minus L3. Delta L4 is equal to L mean minus L4. Delta L5 is equal to L mean minus L5. Delta L6 equal to L mean minus L6. We have 6 quantities. Okay. Now we can write this is 2.53 minus 2.51, that is equal to 0.02. Here 2.53 minus 2.56, that is equal to minus 0.03. Here 2.53 minus 2.49, that is equal to 0.04. And here 2.53 minus 2.58, that is equal to 0.05 minus. Here 2.53 minus 2.48, that is equal to 0.05. Here 2.53 minus 2.55 equal to minus 0.02. Now we have to find out delta L mean. 0.02 plus modulus of 0.02, 0.03 plus 0.04 plus 0.05 plus 0.05 plus minus 0.02. Okay, we can write. നിങ്ങൾ ഈക്വൽ ടു ഇവിടെ ഈ ഒരു ലൈൻ വരയ്ക്കുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണം, നമ്മളെപ്പോഴും ഈക്വൽ ടു സൈൻ്റെ നേരെ മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് അത് എഴുതാൻ പാടുള്ളൂ. ഞാനിവിടെ ഒന്ന് വെട്ടി എഴുതാം. ഓക്കെ, divided by 6. So this is equal to 0.035 meter. This is the mean absolute error. നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ മീൻ ലെങ്ത് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു, absolute errors കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു, പിന്നെ mean absolute error കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു. Next we have to find out percentage error. Percentage error, that is equal to delta L mean divided by L mean into 100. That is equal to 0.035 divided by 2.53 into 100. That is equal to 1.38%. That is our percentage error. ഇനി നമ്മൾ ലാസ്റ്റ് എഴുതണം. The length of the rod is, the length of the rod is 2.53, that is our mean value. 2.53 plus or minus 0.035 meter or 2.53 plus or minus 1.38%. ഇങ്ങനെ വേണം നമ്മൾ ഒരു പ്രോബ്ലം വർക്കൗട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ. ഫൈനലി നമ്മൾ ലെങ്ത് ഓഫ് ദ റോഡ് ആൻഡ് ആക്ച്വൽ ലെങ്ത്തും എഴുതാൻ നമ്മൾ മറന്നു പോകരുത്.